channel. So today I'm going to be making a very heartwarming and autumnal comfort food. It's going to be very good, so let's get right into it.
Why can you not say autumnal?
Did I not say it? So today's video is going to be pretty fun. We're going to be doing a bit of a recipe. I'm a little bit scared. I'm not the best at cooking, but I've got some assistance with me today. Guys. Oh my gosh. So today's video is in collaboration with the Mushroom Bureau, and I'm pretty excited because I'm going to be showing you guys how you can incorporate more mushrooms into your meals to make them more nutritional, and that's what we're going to be doing with the shepherd's pie today. And I'm really excited because I'd never even thought of this idea, but it's actually turned out so good. Obviously this is one I made earlier and it tastes amazing. It's so good. So yeah, mushrooms are really good for you and they have so many benefits. They count as one of your 5 a day. They can also increase your intake of folic acid and B5 and B2 vitamins. So there's a lot going on here, but I will be sharing with you guys more of the benefits of eating mushrooms. Yeah, we're going to be using lots of mushrooms today to make this. I've just got a bowl of mushrooms here because I was actually going to cook more recipes with you guys and then I got tired because I forgot that I'm not very good in the kitchen. I was being so ambitious. I really wanted to try out these other recipes, but if you do want to check out any of the recipes that I do try, which is just one today, there will be more recipes at justaddmushrooms.com, so you can go and check that out. This full recipe will be there as well, so if you guys want to try this out, you can go and check that out. So yeah, I guess we're just gonna get started making this shepherd's pie, which actually turned out so good. I'm so happy, and it's mostly because I wasn't the only one making it and I had assistance to make sure it didn't turn out really badly. So let's get into it.
Live from just south of London, it's Scola Dondo!
Thank you. But anyways, let me talk you through all of the ingredients that I'm going to be using for this recipe. So first off, I've got some diced carrots, well it's just 1 carrot, and then I've got some potatoes, and then I've got some vegetable stock. So one thing I will say is I did substitute a lot of the ingredients, well not a lot, just a few, so that I could make this a vegetarian dish and also make sure that it's dairy free in terms of like dairy. Why would I say that? In terms of like dairy. So I'm going to be using vegetable stock instead of beef stock, which is what the recipe calls for, and I'm going to be using corn mince instead of lamb mince, which is also what the recipe calls for. But if you do decide to use meat as your mince of choice, there are a few benefits by using a blend with mushrooms. So that is the whole point of everything, is that, you know, substituting some of your mince with mushrooms can make a huge difference. Okay, so I have all of the benefits here, and basically when you use a blend and add in mushrooms to recipes and stuff like that, like this, you end up reducing calories by over 1/4, which is pretty cool, reducing fat by almost 1/3, and also this can result in 40% less cholesterol and an increase of over double the amount of folic acid. Oh, that's pretty cool. I'm excited about that. I actually have to take folic acid, so hopefully after this I don't have to take it anymore. But anyway, those are just a few of the benefits of using a blend. Butter! So let me use some butter, some mushrooms. So the mushrooms I'm going to be using are the button. I just said butter so many times now I can't say button. Button mushrooms I'm going to be using, and some chopped onions, tomato puree, Worcestershire sauce, I can't say that, salt, and also some pepper to season. So those are all the ingredients. Now to get into actually making it and hoping that I don't mess it up. I didn't realise that was gonna happen.
That was so M&S in sort of a clump. It's like Waitrose to Astor in a second. How do my cheekbones look?
Turn slightly more. Yes, yes. Oh wait, no, you ruined it. You moved.
Give us a smile. Oh, it's out of focus, it's kind of dreamy. Oh, I like that. Hello. Whoa.
So now we're just gonna leave that in there for 20 to 25 minutes. In the meantime, we're gonna clean up a little bit and figure out our lives.
Sorry, you're going to clean up a little bit. Are you just volunteering?
Well, I am. Of course I'm gonna clean up. I love cleaning.
I'm so glad. So send it to Arthur.
I love cleaning.
Oh, it's bubbling. Just like they said it should be. Ooh. Get that bubblicious bubbling. I forget.
You're about to get,
I forget.
about to get
Oh, guys, come look at this. Come round. Come round. Okay, so basically when it comes to portion sizes, when it comes to foods like this especially, you want to just be very careful and not pile up your plate too much. So I'm gonna get some plates so that I can actually show you guys what sort of portion sizes you want to be eating. Okay, I have to hurry this up because everyone wants to eat the shepherd's pie now. But basically with portion sizes, usually we go for this plate, which is usually called the dinner plate, and this is usually a side plate. Now what I found when it comes to eating meals like this, it's really ideal to go for a side plate rather than a dinner plate, just to help to control your portion sizes a little bit more so that you can still enjoy what you want to eat, but you're not going a little bit overboard when it comes to these meals. So I will dish out a typical portion size I would go for this.
Don't burn yourself.
Oh, come and help me.
Oh, no, yeah, basically just for touching the side, just use some...
It just came out the oven.
When you just touching the side, just do this, just because I'm scared you'll burn yourself.
Oh, I wasn't going to touch it.
Oh, I thought you were touching this.
You literally nearly touched it.
That's...
Do I just like go flop it? Okay. As you can see, this is the portion size that I've gone for, and it is quite small, and it'll be a shock when you first go to these portion sizes. But what you want to do is also add some veggies in. So this recipe actually recommends to add some like lemon broccoli to this recipe, and it'll just really bulk up the meal and still fill you up without you going overboard on the portion sizes. But of course you're allowed to treat yourself once in a while, so you can go all out, eat the whole dish if you want, but probably don't do that. Okay guys, come on then. Come on then.
Scola.
You ready?
Is it hot?
1, 2.
I'm scared. Is it hot?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
No!
I was so reckless. Okay guys, so that was the recipe. Let me know if you're going to try it out, and let me know if you're going to try incorporating mushrooms into more of your daily meals. I know this morning actually I had scrambled eggs with mushrooms in them as well. They were very finely chopped up, but they just add a little boost of something to your meals. So there's definitely lots of different ways you can add mushrooms to your meals. Like I said, there will be more recipes that you guys can check out at justaddmushrooms.com, and I'll leave a link to that down below. But this was so good and I had so much fun making all of this, and it tastes really nice. What was the verdict, guys? Actually, did we come to a verdict?
It was really good.
Oh yeah! By the way, this isn't my kitchen. Also, I have to say a huge thank you to George for letting me use his kitchen because this clearly is not my kitchen.
You're welcome.
Thank you, George. And thank you to Meg for being Meg. So thank you again to the Mushroom Bureau for sponsoring today's video. It was really fun to do and fun to make all of these lovely foods. And anyway guys, thank you so much for watching. Stay healthy, stay luscious, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye!